Welcome to the Gava Cave.
This is where you live?
This is where you?
Yes,
Yeah,
but
but
only
I
for a
like
while,
it.
until houses are
Just
invented.
I've ended.
Let's go make cave drawings.
Let's go. Yay.
Can I keep them?
Can we go? Get a pet? No, Romy, because it's still grounded.
Oh, he won't make a
Mess?
mess. Really a spot.
Dinner's ready.
Dinner's ready.
You know, I'm not really hungry, thank you.
Mm.
Francine, wait, look. We have sports.
Olivia,